Human being be greedy by nature. So you think say someone go see play money dey, take money, can't tell you say bro, can't go take your own money. For the time, nah. Perry, Perry Alpha. Perry, I be very busy now. I do my Amazon thing them. You see. So I just remember something I say I tell you so one thing, right? You see the people they can contact you say, hey, some schema don't come out. If you put 5,000, you get 10,000. If you put 100 million, you get 200 million. If you put 5 francs, you get 2 francs. If you put 100 francs, you get 1,000 francs CFA. It like something like a cow. You want to be like something like a cow or like saying fishers of men. Man, talk about fishers of men. All that thing, nanges. Because that men them as you enter, you give refer that thing at them, they refer you, they pay them. After that thing can kalas. Kalas na Arabic word means say finish, end, finish kwara. Kalas means say kwara. Kalas na for Arabic means say kwara. After that thing can kwara, you lost your budget. You lost your trust for your man. You start getting mad to your man. Your man no na this thing. All that thing is scheme. It's like a pyramid. It's like you have pyramid, you know, some person there for up. And then you now as the person you don't a creator. As you creator, you don't cause a different man. As you they come, as you open, as you expand. All the men they sit down the ladder, the last man for down, where they be flat, and the all man for up the up now. We like the last man they for up. You just you can't take budget. All those things don't happen plenty. So why come out say on a scooter, on a waiting. So why come on a LLC, on a LCS, on a L witty. Bro, not join that thing. You lost your budget. And any man contact me about that, I will block you.